So today we will learn a new topic called as filters in servlet. Okay. So what filter is? Filter is a pre-processing activity. Pre-processing as well as post-processing. Okay. So pre-processing as well as post-processing. So before doing any activity and after doing any activity, we can put a filter. Okay. Like if the main activity is the cricket match. What is the main activity? The cricket match. Before the cricket match, what do we have? The toss. And after the cricket match, what do we have? The presentation ceremony, where we award the man of the match. Correct? So cricket team, the cricket team will focus its entire energy on playing the cricket match. And these two activities will be outsourced to their specialists, to the umpires and to the media company, right? So this is what filters do. So whenever I am writing a servlet, from my front end, when I send a request, it goes to the servlet via the web XML. Okay, so the request will come to the web XML. Okay, so we have in between a web XML. So request will first come to the web XML and then it will route that request to the appropriate servlet. Okay, so this red line is called as the request. So what the filter comes into play is, before directly going to the servlet, we can put a pre-processing or a post-processing activity over here. This green part is the filter. This green part is your filter. So the web XML will route it to the where? Filter. And the same, the action remains the same. So whatever action you have given over here, so let's say you have given action ABC. So this will come to the web XML and that same it will route to the filter. The action will remain the same, the URL pattern in that sense. And then from the filter it will go to the servlet. So this green channel you can think of as the request channel. What channel? HTTP request. And the red channel, the servlet will do the processing and the response also will first come to the server. So if server wants to add anything to the response, it can do so and then that response will be sent to the client. Okay, so this is what we have to learn. So before also pre-processing and after the servlet request is processed, after also the filter code will run. So the filter code will run twice, before and after. It is optional to you whether you want to run after or not, but we have given the provision. Okay, so now let's try to configure that. So now how many files do I have to maintain now? The .html, okay, filter also the Java code, the web.xml, the servlet. Okay, so if this is, let's say, the hello servlet, so this is .java. Okay, and if this is called as my filter, then we can call it as my filter. Okay, so we have a interface. We have an interface in the servlet Java X dot servlet package by the name of filter. In which package? Servlet dot filter. Okay, so this is the interface. This is the interface. So whatever filter we will make, which filter are we making? My filter. So this will always implement this filter. So we will make class my filter, and what will that do? Implements which interface? The filter interface. Okay, so the like how we have life cycle of a servlet, init, service, destroy. Similarly, we have life cycle of a filter also. So the constructor of that is called as the which function? init function, and it will take an object of servlet config. It will take an object of filter config. So filter config is same as servlet config. Just that servlet config is for the servlet and filter config is the parameters for the filter. So init is the constructor of the filter and destroy is the destructor. Okay. So when we will make this class my filter implements filter, the first function will be the init. Init will take argument as filter config. So these are the init parameters you can set in the web XML and read it over here. Okay. And then the job of the filter will be done by which function? The do filter function. Which function?
Do filter.
The do filter will do the job of the servlet. Okay. This will take arguments as servlet request and servlet response. Will take argument as servlet request, REQ, and servlet. Okay, not HTTP but servlet. Throws the exceptions. So this is the task what the filter will do, and then it has a destructor which will destroy. Okay, so you can just override the filter function and keep the implementation for the destroy and init. Okay, this class we will make. And then in the web XML, how we have servlet mapping. Similarly, we have filter and very same. And setting the filter config also is pretty same to servlet config. Okay. So now let's get going. So what we will do is we will just make a hyperlink over here. Okay. So we'll just make a hyperlink over here. Click me. Okay, this hyperlink click me will have a URL pattern as a href, and that href will send to the web XML. But now instead of directly going to the hello servlet, now we will go via the, so the request also will go via the, and the response also will go via the filter. Now let's configure the filter. Okay, so let's start the coding. Okay, let's start the coding. Okay, so let's create the first class now. Or let's create the client side program. So we're just making a, so either you can make a form tag by action and method, or directly if you want to go, so you can go via the hyperlink also. Okay, so now you have clicked. So now this will route to which ahref, so give a URL pattern. Okay, so give any URL pattern if you feel like. Okay, so you can give Badai. Okay, so this, now I have to search for this URL pattern in the web.xml. So just copy existing web XML, copy paste our existing web XML. Yeah, copy and make a blank one. Yeah, paste it. So now just prepare the welcome file. What have you given? What is the file name here? Okay, just give first.html. So give what? First dot. So we will save that file as first, and servlet mapping. So now come remove enum and give badai, and remove tag and give sweets. and remove take up, give sweets, and you go to your servlet A. You can change the name servlet ABC. Make it servlet capital ABC. Okay. So this would have been the standard if we would have used the direct connection. But now you are configuring a filter. So request of Badai will first go to the filter. So now we'll remove this line number. Yeah, remove this. So now just copy the filter. Okay, no. Go to Apache. Go to Apache, your primary folder where you installed Apache Tomcat. Go there. Share screen. Full screen. Entire screen. Yeah. So now go to your Tomcat where you install Tomcat. Yes, go there. No need to by heart any code. Okay. Go to web apps. Go to examples. Yeah. Go to go to WebINF. Go to WebXML. Right click WebXML. Open it. Yeah. Now search for filter. Control F filter. See, here you have it. Yeah. Copy this filter and filter filter and that filter mapping. Like how you have servlet mapping. Just copy it from here and paste it over there. Yeah. Paste it and also copy filter mapping. Search for it. Control F filter hyphen mapping. Enter. Yeah, enter one more. Don't take the commented ones, there might be some problem. Take the one which is not commented. Below, and number 105. We'll delete this though, no, we won't save this. So not a problem if you make changes in this. Yeah, from 105 to 109. Yeah, copy it and close it. Don't save it. So whatever changes we have done will not be taken away. No. Yeah, now paste it over here. So now what happens is, in our URL pattern, give the name of the action which it is intercepting. So same as the servlet /badhai, and now here give F1. So we are routing this to the filter F1, and on top in your filter mapping, yes, F1 give to my filter. So this will route to my filter. Okay. Yeah, my small f capital. And if you want to set any parameters, you can set over here. Init parameter value. Okay. So just for the namesake, set triple A, small. Or set college name. Set college name over there. Or just set college, COLLEGE. Don't use a case sensitive over there. Keep it simple. College, yeah. And in that, set Siagat. If I want to display my college name, how I can read it? Siagat will be capital because you will be displaying that, right? So like this, you can prepare your filter. Okay, so the request will come to line number 28. Badhai. It will first be routed to F1. F1 is which class? My filter. So that remains the same. Servlet request will not be hampered. So now make a Java class by the name. Make by two Java files, right? Which first Java file name will be? Servlet A. What is it? Servlet ABC, right? So make this class first. So copy any existing servlet class. And because we need the first 6 to 7 lines are same, right? Yeah. Copy it, yeah, paste it, change the name, remove the C from the first line. Yeah. So till line number 8, everything should be same. 9 and 10 you can remove. Yeah, okay. And save it as ABC. Perfect. Save it. And what are we displaying over here? So the action will be, we will display welcome to servlet ABC. So write on line number, last line, yeah, last line, line number 9, out.println, welcome to my servlet. Welcome to servlet ABC. Oh, so this is the job the servlet is doing. But before printing this, I want the filter to run. So now I'll make one more class which will implement the filter. Yes, make a Java file now. I don't see. Yeah, this is okay. So now make a new Java file. No, not by this name. What happened? Control Z. Make a new Java file. Control Z. What happened to you?
New file.
New file. Yeah. So make it my filter, and it implements the filter. And filter in the servlet package which has already been imported. Implements. Remove the extents. Implements filter. So now when I say implements the interface, you have to give body to all the abstract methods. So this has 3 abstract methods: init, service, and destroy. So override those methods. So remove the line number 7. Yeah. The exceptions are also fine, right? Exception names are okay. Hit a enter before throws. Hit a enter before throws over here. Hit a enter before throws, and then just before throws hit enter, so that we know which exception it is throwing. Okay. All good. Now not do get, do filter, right? The do filter. Yeah. So how many methods do we have to override in this? So first the init method, public void init. Go at the end of line number 4. Go at the end of line number 4. Hit enter. First public void init. Enter. Yeah. Public void init. First override that method. Public void init. And this will take the argument of filter config. This will take argument of filter config, capital F. Okay. Give whatever name you want. FCG. You want FCG. Okay. And now do filter. Do filter will take argument as servlet request, not HTTP. Remove the servlet request. Check the parameter types properly, because this is in the servlet. Yes, make a print data object. Copy it from there, no? From the servlet. Why want to always write everything? Yeah. So now whatever you want task going to perform by the filter, do over here. So when the request is intercepted, first I want to display before servlet. First I want to display what? Before servlet. Okay. And then you can do the chaining. So now chaining means you send the request to the servlet. Okay, that is called as chain dot. So take one more argument. In the do filter there are 3 arguments: servlet request, servlet response, and this chain. Okay, that will be the 3rd argument after servlet response. Okay, so take that. filter chain and chain. And now chain dot do filter and you send the request response. You send the request response. What you have over here. Note for curly braces. Okay. And now if you don't want anything in the pre-processing, if you don't want anything after post-processing, sir, in our gully cricket, we play cricket and we go home. There is no prize distribution. There is toss, but there is no prize distribution. So don't give anything after chain or do filter. Means while coming, it will directly come to the response will directly come from the servlet to the client. If you give anything after chain or do filter, it is post processing. After, before is so before chain dot do filter is before and after. After that is after. Okay, so we'll just see the difference in that. So now we are not giving anything in the after, and now the destroy. So just give an empty function, public void destroy. Okay, a non-parameterized function. Yeah, and now save this as. Now save this as, what is the name of the class? My filter, right? Yes, save it, my filter. Yeah, save it. Okay, so now you have got all the 4 files. Okay, now go and save them in their respective places. So make a folder by new filter demo. New filter demo. Enter. Now first save the XML, HTML over here. So whatever name you want to save it by one.html, and then later on you can give welcome file list. Okay, so give new filter demo. Yes. Okay. Try to give different name for different, because it will go in that your browser settings. So whenever you go to first.html, directly you go to this file or existing file. So try to give some different names for every application. So at least there is less man-made errors. New first, yeah. New first, no, this is first. Okay, enter. So that is saved over here. Now where will you save the XML? Yeah, I will show you. Now where will you save this XML? While saving, it gives the option of making folder. No? While saving, it gives the option of name. And you will save a file. No? Click on save. See there, you see, new folder option is there. It comes, so directly you can make a folder there. Yes, go inside, save it from XML. All small, all small, all small. And now go and save the 2 Java files in the classes. Go here, yes. Copy the name, Servlet ABC. Copy the name, no? So we will just cancel this. Click on the floppy disk, yes. Now go in the, make a folder over here, VNF. Make a new folder over here. All small classes. Enter, save it, .java, enter. Now go to the next one, copy the name, .java, open them, go to file, Yeah, prop filter Java C star.java. There is one problem. You wrote RESP. You wrote. Go at line number 13. You have written RES only. Save, alt tab. No, there's no error over there. Only one error it showed. No? First save it. Yeah, alt tab. Go back to. Why are you closing it every time? Again, go back. Line number 13. Single S. Save it. Go back. Why are you closing that every time? Yes, you are in new folder. Okay, very good. Now we'll start the server. Server started. Go to the TT9. And open new filter demo. Is there up? What happened? Did you save the XML or all that? Just check all the files. Looks like you haven't saved the XML file. Open the XML file over there, no? Notepad++. Just check whether you saved it. Yes, you have saved it. So just check the tags properly. Filter is there. Filter. Come down. Filter mapping, filter name, filter class. So you are adding the pattern Padai. Is going to F1, F5 is going to my filter, go up. Then Badai suites and suite is getting Servlet ABC. This is saved, right? Where have you saved this properly? Go to your folder, right click this XML. XML, yes. Right click. Open it. Go to welcome file list. What is the name? New first.html, right? And that is the new first.html. And on href you are giving Badhai. Click add body. This is good. Go and read the error message. In the browser, alt tab browser, go to the browser. You filter demo, yes. See, it is saying the origin server did not find a current representation of the target resource. We are willing to disclose that one exists. So it is not able to locate the new first. Okay, give at the end new first.html after the in the URL. Give there. Let's see why it is not getting there. Enter. It is not able to get the do the clear browsing history on that. So we'll have to go and check now the I guess we'll have to go and check the Arman P. Yeah, knowing that. Go to your folder first now properly. You're not able to locate this. Yeah, go there. New filter demo. Open it. In that you have new first. Open this new first. What is the problem with this? Yeah, it is opening. It is opening like this. Right click and open it. Then why? No, right click and open it. What is the problem with this? Go to web XML. That is where it is causing problem. Yes. Here, welcome file list. Welcome file is new first .html. Yes. Absolutely correct. Everything is good. Then why it is not able to route over there? Go up. Servlet and servlet mapping also has been done. Welcome file list is open, close, welcome file is open, close, file name also is correct. Try reloading this application, go there. See, it is not able to find a start a stop button. I mean, there is some mistake with the architecture of the. Check the folder structure properly. Filter. No, check the structure properly. Filter demo, yes. Web INA. Go back, go back. This is web INA for some other character you might over there. That is a capital I, right? Go inside. And you have made web XML. And you have written classes, right? And here we have given the two class files. Server map filter, yes. Then what is the problem? Go and change the name to field index.html. Yeah, change the name over here. Comment this. By default, it will take indexing. Exception one. Minus greater than. No. In the start. And here minus greater than. Now it has the new demo. Yeah, now it has got start and stop. Yes. What is saying? The new resource is not just reload. Reload this. No click. New filter demo is not available. Okay, do one thing. Okay, I got it. Stop the server and restart the server. No, stop the server in that. Wait, it is running. Yeah, this one. Stop it. Now rerun it. We have put a shortcut key on the home page, right? On the desktop. Yeah. Now go and open. Let it start first. Started? Yeah. Now go. Programming wise everything is fine. Come down. Solanki resource new filter demo is not available. The origin server did not find a current representation. Okay, try removing the clear the files. No, from there, from your Chrome. From your Chrome. Go to Chrome. Chrome, yeah. Go to the end. The three dots. The three dots. Go there. Go to clear browsing data. Clear browsing data. Yes. Clear the cached files only. Yeah. Now try. Maybe now it should do a reload. And now come. Did not find a current representation of the target resource, or it is not willing to disclose the one existing. Go to your HTML page. Go to your HTML page. HTML. No. Now go open it over here, index.html. HTML head close, body close, HTML close, actually, and yeah, syntactically it is correct. Okay, see the name index.html.html. Come on, you should have not given the HTML, you should have just given index. By default, it would have taken index. Yeah. Now go. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Now go and reload. Now go click. Okay. Click me. So before servlet and welcome to ABC. Right? So now this was only before do filter. Right? For after do filter, I also write after servlet. Then how will you do that? So go there. Yeah. So now go to your my filter, and now after do filter, copy this and paste it. Out.println. No, only once. Copy and paste it after do filter. After servlet. And if you want to read any of the settings, so if you want to read, go to your index.html. Go to your. No, we are close this. No. Go and open again. Now, if you want to read any of your configuration, then so if you want to read any of your configuration, open WebXML. So now, if you want to read the college name, how will you do? Go to filter config. Go to your my filter. Yeah. So if you see in the initial, even the constructor. In the constructor, go up in the init part. You have filter config. Now this scope is only within the constructor, right? So if I want to make it within the class, I'll make a filter config object in the class. So make an object in the class. So copy line number, make a filter object reference in the line number 5. Yeah, at line number 5. Outside, that will be a class object. Class reference, yeah. Yeah, paste it over here. FC. And then in the init, write this dot fc equals to fcg. Semicolon. Yeah, and now you can read after servlet if you want to display the name of the college. So write after servlet concat plus after servlet plus fc dot get init parameter, right? What is the function name? Capital I. and you have to give the name of the parameter. What is the name? College. So in double quote, give college. That's a string. Okay, so if you pass this, it will. You also have made changes over here. We compile them. In the destroy, you have written fc.close. Not okay, not a problem. Java C. Okay, yes, now go there, reload it. Click me. So see, before servlet, welcome to servlet ABC. After servlet, here. Got it? So like this, you can configure your filters.